with the help of Russ, I'm making salmon, Parmesan and mayonnaise crusted salmon. Trust me, it's delicious. And I was going to do orzo, but then I found a packet of cheddar broccoli rice. So I'm going to heat that up, and then we're going to add some, not grilled veggies, it's too cold. So I'm just going to warm the veggies up of asparagus, yellow pepper, corn, what other color pepper?
Orange.
And orange pepper. And we're gonna mix all that in. Not the salmon, that'll be on the side, but you could mix it in. Okay, so I gotta get all my stuff started. Russ is chopping my veggies. So this is what I'm gonna make for rice, and I'm just gonna follow the instructions in the back. Nothing fancy. So here I just scooped out a bunch of mayonnaise. 3/4 cup. And I'm gonna put in my Parmesan. It's hard to do this by yourself. I'll show you what I get it in there. Okay. Now, I'm gonna mix this up. I have the oven preheating. I forgot, 425? All right, so the oven is going at 425. I'm gonna put in some paprika. Put in as much as you want. Let's see what that looks like. You want more, Russ?
No.
I think that's pretty good. Okay, now we'll get my pan ready. So this is one of the salmons I got from Pick and Save when they had this on sale. I stuck my thumb in there. What a goof. All right, I'm gonna salt and pepper this. I like cooking stuff that I have in my pantry. We had to go get nothing. A little bit of salt, because the Parmesan has salt, right? You don't need a lot. I decided to put this on parchment also instead of foil. I usually do foil. Okay. There's a similar recipe to this with chicken. Oh, that's good too. I haven't done that one in a while. This is really good leftover also. Like frosting cake. And then if somebody is like iffy on the fish taste, this helps the fish taste if you think it tastes like fish. If you got a piece of salmon that tastes like fish, something's wrong. I hate wasting stuff. Okay. I hear Maggie, she's into something. Then a little bit of more sprinkle of Parmesan. Give it a nice little crust. And then we wait. You can check the veggies. I'm sure they need a stir. For this for a boil, and then we cover it, and the instructions say let it simmer then for 7 minutes. Alright, now this is just where you kind of wait. I'll bring you back when we do something. perfect timing. I salt and peppered and stirred. That got boiling. I turned it down, covered it. It's on low. My stove is ready. Set the timer. The rice takes 7 minutes. Salmon takes about 10, which is fine. I'll put this in. All right. Second time we wait. Okay, so this beep's saying it's done, but obviously it's not. I'm going to add some of these veggies in here and let it finish. Ooh, that sounds and looks so good. And the veggies are ready. So I'm going to scoop Russ his out. So he's got his rice and his salmon, and I sprinkled some green onion on his rice that were mixed with the veggies. I want to thank you for watching and joining us while we were making dinner. Now I gotta give this to Russ to eat. And he doesn't like certain forks. Whatever. Look in your pantry. I bet you got a bunch of meals that you didn't know you could create. Just try it. It's fun. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.